confession. If it weren't for the Galaxy S8 Active's monster battery life, I'd tell you to buy the regular Galaxy S8, $899.11 at Amazon.com, and a good case. The Galaxy S8 Active costs more than the S8 for what is essentially a built-in case and screen protector, but not one of your own choosing. An S8 and case combo would save you money and let you buy a case that works for you. And then the S8 Active's truly all-day battery swoops in and saves the day. It lasted an average of 24 hours after 5 looping videoed rain tests in airplane mode with the brightness set to 50%. In contrast, the Galaxy S8 lasted about 16 hours in our lab tests. In real life testing, the phone gamely marched along, retaining power reserves after bedtime, even after we'd streamed YouTube videos and navigated using maps, two of the most resource taxing activities you can do on a phone. The Active costs more than the regular S8, $100 more on US carrier AT&T, so if you're willing to pony up extra cash to avoid topping off your phone's power quite as often as you would with the S8, then the S8 Active is a good choice. It's got all the Galaxy S8's top-notch features, and a sturdier screen and body too. If that battery delta isn't all that important to you, then who is the S8 Active really for? It does have a more rugged/sporty/outdoorsy aesthetic, and can appeal to people who don't want to worry about getting their phones messy or wet. That said, Samsung has stripped the Galaxy S8 Active of a few past Active features, like those physical home buttons, that could make it feel like a truly different phone. And remember, the Galaxy S8, S8 Plus and Note 8 are all already water resistant.